Okay guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do the second part of digestion and absorption, chapter 16, class 12. And the next topic is absorption and assimilation of protein, carbohydrates and fats. First you do the thorough reading of NCERT book class 12 and come back to this video and let's solve it. Okay, as you can see the question in the screen itself, our first question is was asked in Odisha 2019, and just pause the video and try to solve it by yourself first. Okay, our correct answer is A. First one, renin is, as we all know, milk protein. Enterokinase is just an enzyme which activates trypsinogen. And number 3, oxyntic cells secretes intrinsic factors which are essential for absorption of vitamin B12. And last option, fructose is obviously facilitated transport. So the correct answer is A. Okay, our next question is in the screen, which is asking, fructose is absorbed into blood through mucosa cells of intestine by the process called, and this is a fact we know, absorbed by facilitated transport. Okay, our next question is on the screen itself. We need to choose the correct match. So let's check out option A. Glycine or glucose is absorbed in small intestine and it is by active absorption. So this is the correct answer itself. So next question 2 is completed. Okay, our next question is in the screen itself. Carrier ions like sodium plus facilitate the absorption of substances like. Pause the video and try to solve it. And if you have read the book itself, you may know the answer, that the correct answer is A, amino acids and glucose. Okay, for now let's start nutritional and digestive tract disorders, gastrointestinal hormones, which is the next topic, and we are starting this and leaving role of digestive enzymes because these have only 6 questions asked in a whole NEET from 1998 to 2020. So this is not so important topic and we are completing it fast, as we have already completed topic absorption and assimilation of protein, carbohydrates and fats before. That is not so important because there was only 4 or 5 questions. Now without further ado, let's start our next topic, nutrition and digestive tracts. Okay, our first question is, kwashiorkor disease is due to, and this was asked in Odisha 2019 and no questions from 2020. So pause the video and try to solve this. Okay, our correct answer is protein deficiency. Kwashiorkor disease is caused due to protein deficiency and not accompanied by calorie deficiency. You must note that. Okay, our next question is, anxiety and eating spicy food together in an otherwise normal human may lead to, as we already know that eating spicy food causes indigestion to most humans. So our correct answer is A. For 5, correct answer is A, indigestion. Okay, our next question is, jaundice is a disorder of, this I think you know the answer and have already solved it. Our correct answer is C, digestive system. Jaundice is a disorder of digestive system. As we know that jaundice affects liver, and liver in turn which produces bile pigments for emulsification of fats, which is a process of digestion. Okay, our next question is, when breastfeeding is replaced by less nutritive food, low in proteins and calories, in infants below the age of 1 year, they are likely to suffer from. Pause the video and try to solve it. Okay, our correct answer is A, marasmus. Marasmus is a type of severe malnutrition. So when the proteins and calories are replaced, they likely is vulnerable to such malnutrition. Okay, our next question is, a patient is generally advised to specially consume more meat, lentils, milk and eggs in diet only when he suffers from Our correct answer is B, kwashiorkor, which is a kind of protein deficiency, and milk, eggs, meat, lentils are consumed when there is a deficiency of protein. Our next question is, which one of the following is a protein deficiency disease? This we have already discussed. The correct answer is A, kwashiorkor. Okay, this much for today.